President, Chief Executive of the Republic of the Philippines, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., Chief of Staff of Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Romeo S. Browner Jr., Secretary of the Department of the National Defense, Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr., Commander of RESCOM, Major General Romulo L. Manuel Jr., Commander 7 RCDG, Colonel Raimundo Banyares, INF, Philippine Army, 702 CDC Director, Major Larry L. Indozo, Philippine Army, Commandant Colonel Wendell B. Paredes, Philippine Army Retired, Assistant Commandant 2nd Lieutenant Eduardo L. Manlangaw, Philippine Army Reserve, Admin NCO SSG Renante S. Latosa, Philippine Army, NSTP Coordinator Junmar S. Aberganso, MSIT, Vice President Dr. Anthony M. Pinaso, Campus Director Dr. Jane S. Lebria, Training and Staff Vice Balilihan ROTC Unit, Master Sergeant Vincent C. Tinieza, Philippine Army, Master Sergeant Marcos Castro, Philippine Army Reserve, Sergeant Antonio Mero, Philippine Army Reserve, Sergeant Arnel Tukil, Philippine Army Reserve, Sergeant Roseller James S. Elwadar, Philippine Army Reserve, Corps and Staff of Vice Balilihan RTC Unit, Corps Commander Cadet Colonel Aaron Vincent O. Dapar, First Class, Ex-Official Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Remart B. Lumaad, First Class, Staff Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Pinimi Langgamin, First Class, Staff 2 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jonas B. Numeral, First Class, Staff 3 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Vincent Semblante, First Class, Staff 4 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Godfred P. Agon, First Class, Staff 7 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Arnel I. Casanova, First Class. Alpha Company Commander Cadet Major Kenneth L. Lacia, Second Class, Ex-Official Cadet Major Adrian L. Limo, Second Class, Gidon Bearer Cadet Second Lieutenant Christian Gomez, Third Class. Bravo Company Commander Cadet Major Kent Lowell I. Daguo, Second Class, Ex-Official Cadet Major Earl Patrick A. Clarinan, Second Class, Gidon Bearer Cadet Second Lieutenant Jorex Peligro, Third Class.